Hello everyone, and welcome to today's GPT Workspace tutorial. I'm thrilled to guide you through the easy steps to get started with the free Chrome extension and show you how to create your very first prompt in Google Docs. Let's jump right in. Start by clicking on Install the free extension. Next, hit Add to Chrome located on the right side of the screen and proceed by clicking Add Extension. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a new page suggesting you pin the extension for quick access. Congratulations! You're now ready to venture into the capabilities of GPT Workspace within Google Docs. Navigating Google Docs, you'll notice a new sidebar interface brimming with features. You can generate text, enhance your writing, and even create images. How amazing is that? However, today we'll focus on crafting our very first prompt right here in Google Docs. Here we have a detailed 3-page document on how blockchain technology can revolutionize business operations. It's quite a read, but let's get straight to the core of it. I'll select the text and enter my first prompt. Summarize this text. Give it a short moment to work. And here we go. A freshly generated, concise summary of our content appears. Next, I'm particularly drawn to the sections highlighting case studies and real-world examples of blockchain implementation in businesses. Let's select this segment and ask GPT Workspace to improve it. And there we go. With this improved content focused on the aspects I find most compelling, I can now seamlessly incorporate it into my document. And that wraps up our session for today. Remember, this extension isn't confined to Google Docs. You can use it just as effectively with Google Sheets, Slides, and even Drive. We also have a whole world of advanced tutorials to help you truly harness the power of your productivity within Google Docs. From crafting tables and generating content from nothing, we've got you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. I hope you enjoyed the show.